Abantu asehlalani phansi ke sanhlani phansi yothi ndiyayazi into nokubana esi story zange ndisibalisa apha eklasini because i-relationship yethu yayingekaqali yaqonda because isistory sango-2023 esi sizovuka ngoku ngo-2026 mamelani bantasi into yenzekayo. So back in 2023 around March ne hayi fine bantase kuthiwa naku kukho imoto etshayo imidrand kukho iMercedes etshayo kwathini heyi kuloo nto yaloo Mercedes itshayo bantase yeyi kufonelwe i-fire brigade into nokubana mazizocima umlilo kwathini nyhani bafike bantase tyurukudu. Xa befika bantase bayafika bathi bayacima bathi hayi mani kukho remains zomntu mos apha ithina le nto. Hayi ke ngoku bantase be-full on crime scene kuthi sake ngoku yaqonda abanye bazothatha i-fingerprints kuvalwa i-crime scene kubizwa amapolisa yonke laa nto la process bantase ava kugcwale ke ngoku kube yiloo nto kulaa crime scene. Hayi bantase after kugcwele kuyiloo nto kwathini iprocess ye-crime scene zihambe iintsuku bantase zihambe iintsuku after kuhanjwe iintsuku kukhonfenywe ke ngoku into nokubana umzimba ngumzimba kaMahlako. Nyhani ke bantase after kukhonfenyiwe into nokubana nguMahlako hayi ku-infonywe ifamily ku-infonywe ne-o yakhe which is uThubelihle Mpisi yaqonda a-infonywe nayo into nokubana yeyi mfana sekwenzeke oku naye ke nyhani ke ngoku naku-social media ithethwe loo nto into nokubana yeyi kulaa moto ibifumaneke emidrand kwathini ithe kanti usisi lo ufunyenwe phaya nguMahlako kwathini yeyi bantase hayi nyhani ke abantu obviously bayamazi uMahlako bamazi ku-social media so yena nomntu wakhe uMpisi lo babengabantu yabona za couples zaku-social media bantase aba bantu bapostanayo ke babengabantu abanjalo so abantu bebebazi so abantu were shocked into yokubana hayi bo lo girl kwathini at the time kuthiwa ke ugirl she was about to turn 27 and then imoto le yayisitsha yayiMercedes yakhe waye-IT specialist yabo wabe ejola noMpisi lo. uMpisi was a lawyer yabo uMpisi eligqwetha abantase kuthiwa babenomntana ona 3 years behlala bonke emidrand sharp hayi kuthi kusathetheka loo nto ke bantase obviously abantu ke ngoku aseying to uMpisi yo hayi mntase uxolo yini yabo hayi ibuhlungu le nto kwehleleyo kwathini naye ke uMpisi waposta into nokubana yo umntanam ndizamkhulisa njani without you hayi intliziyo yam yophukile kwathini waposta bantase koFacebook eposta eyiloo nto nathi sikhala naye bantase ngelaa xesha because yayimbi nyhani laa nto sikhala naye bantase kukubi hayi fine bantase koso ke ngoku kuzothi ke ngoku amapolisa ke ngoku azothi amapolisa 1+1 athi masikhe sibuze ifamily into nokubana xa becinga bona ikhona nyhani na because kuthiwe xa kwenziwe ezaa nto zo-analyzer intontoni yava kwafumaniseka uba no lo mntu usweleke before ibe kanti imoto iyatsha yaqonda usweleke before ibe kanti imoto iyatsha so ke ngoku kube kungona ke ngoku kuthiwa kususpectwa i-foul play yaqonda kuloo nto yoba kususpectwa i-foul play bantase kwahanjwa ke ngoku kwaya kwifamily into nokubana guys nicinga uba kwenzeke ntoni kwathini hayi ifamily ithi hayi thina sicinga into nokubana well asiyazi but into esiyaziyo ebefuna ukuphuma kwe-relationship noMpisi ebengumntu nje ofuna umove out ibiyinto ayithethayo nathi leyo kwathini hayi amapolisa azithatha iflekekile azijongisa straight kuMpisi ke ngoku into nokubana mfana this is around March ke bantase 2023 bazijongisa straight kuMpisi bathi mfana into sizawudila nawe accordingly wena yaqonda gqiba kwakhe yena wava uMpisi ngenye imini kusitshunoko wathi esithi ungubani kwathiwa vula laa nto uboyazi bantase kushubile xa usithi ungubani kuthiwe vula uboyazi into lokubana wena uyobhongweni wena yirhosi mampuru le inokhayo kwathiwa vula hayi nyhani bantase avule xa evula nyhani it's the man in blue yava ingene tyurukudu kubesithiwa hayi mfana sine-search warrant kanje nakanje and ke ngoku sicela neefowuni zakho and all of that siyawucela lo mcimbi zithathwe into zikaMpisi bantase ngamapolisa still around March April zithathwe into zikaMpisi ngamapolisa athi amapolisa yophanda ahamba amapolisa athi ayophanda abantu aphanda amapolisa kufumaniseka uba nezi message umpisi ebecinga fanele uba uzidilithile za-retrieve. Andithi sasingekayazi umkhwenazi wayengekasixelele into lokubana bayakwazi uretrieve, zathi menqu ii-messages bantase. Kwathiwa no, umpisi lo noMahlaku nyhani bekuxatyana. Qha ke ngoku bantase niyayazi ngosento yokubana because nina benixabana it doesn't mean into yokubana umntu umbulele. So ke ngoku amapolisa I had to prove beyond reasonable doubt into yokubana nyhani umpisi nguye obulele uMahlaku. Sharp show. Kuhambe ke lihambe ixesha afumaniseka uba amapolisa xa eanalyza ifowuni le kaMpisi, yabo ifowuni kaMpisi ikufutshane nendawo yesiganeko, yayiqonda. And ke ngoku xa eanalyze ifowuni kaMpisi into yokubana no, uMpisi requested i-Uber ngalaa mini inkulu, yaqonda. Kulapho ke bantase i-evidence ivele yamthatha uMpisi because i-testimony yala Uber driver yiyo emngcwabileyo. Testimony yala Uber driver yiyo emngcwabileyo. Buza uba ithini Mendi Uber driver uthi Mendi mna ndafumana i-request, kwathiwa naku i-request isuka kude kufuphi nendawo yesiganeko apha laa Mercedes siyatshela khona, kude kufuphi nesiganeko. Uthi hayi nyhani ndifike phaa Mendi. Uthi xa ndifika nanku umfana, qha Mendi into endibhidileyo kulo mfana unalaa nto mani, yayibona laa energy yoba ndigqiba ubulala umntu, unalaa energy. Niyayazi mos bantase laa energy, soze ningayazi laa energy sayibona kulaa mfana uSandile. Ngelaa xesha uSandile niyakhumbula kwakungomphi unyaka uSandile owaye-forex trader wabulala enye intombazana eyayintle yaseSoweto, I think eDK, eyayintle kuthiwa nguKarabo. Nambona mos uSandile kulaa video footage into yokubana i-energy yakhe yayinjani. Uthi laa Uber driver nqwa ke Mendi, uthi energy yakaMpisi ngalaa mini yayifana nqwane kaSandile. Uthi wayenalaa nto yobana mna ndigqiba ukwenza isono. Yeva bantase? Hayi fine. Xa kubuzwa ke ngoku kusebantwini ke ngoku nasekomplexini into yokubana hayibo guys ninani, xa nimbona kuthiwa kwa i-energy yakhe kwa before ibe kanti uyaphuma ngeMercedes Benz, because kaloku ii-complex ziyarekhoda mos into yokubana phume nini iMercedes Benz. Kuthiwa ayiphumile iMercedes Benz, kuthiwa i-energy yomfana kwangoku kuphuma iMercedes Benz unalaa energy yoba ndisisigebenga. Niyavana bantase? Hayi fine. To Uber driver hayi mna ndambona ngene emotweni yam into yokubana sisigebenga esi, sisigebenga une-energy yobugebenga, yava. So zizo ke bantase into ezimbambisileyo umpisi lo. Ubanjiswe zii-cellphone records zakhe, well i-text and all of that ezisuggestayo into yokubana bekungasavanwa, and then ne-location yefowuni yakhe ngelaa xesha into yokubana ibidontsa from which tower sharp, ne-complex yakhe into yokubana iphume nini iMercedes le kaMohlaku ngalaa mini. Yatsho into yokubana iMercedes iphume ngexesha elithile kwathini. Ne-tracker kaMohlaku yabisitsho into yokubana iMercedes iphume from here yaye endaweni eso kulaa ndawo yotshela kuyo, yaqonda. Ubuye njani umfana xa ephume ngeMercedes? Ubuya ngantoni umfana? Ubuya nge-Uber, yava. Wabesithi u-Uber driver kungelaa xesha ke ngoku ndibona laa energy yobugebenga. Ndathi nazo ke wathi ujaji, wathi life in prison, wathi ndimnika udilika jele, wathi ndinika udilika jele apha ngoku 2 days ago. Wathi ujaji ndimnika udilika jele. Ndathi jaji ubungena-choice because what do you mean into nokubana thina sibhizi silila naye apho umpisi sithi hayi shem I'm sorry akuhlanga lungehlanga kwathini kanti wena uyazazi bombulela umntana abantu, wena udinga laa trongo yam ya-underground, wena ungazulibona ilanga, unganikwa kutya, unganikwa ntoni. Ndasintoni esi sitayile samadoda xa engafuna abulala abantu? Sisitayile sisuka pheso. But imbi injalo ke abantu, well ayisekho mbi well imbi, but like sendiyatsho nje into yokubana at least ke ngoku sasisithi justice for uMohlaku ayo justice, but ke loo nto sizayithatha loo nto siyifumanayo bantase because sizade sithini. But yeah bantase ugwetyiwe umfana wazange afune nebheyile because abantu babe-livid ngelaa xesha waye-aplayela ibheyile. Bathi abantu mntase apply ibheyile and ingathi ijaji ingakunika ukuphuma kwakho siyakuqangqulula. kwathiwa abahlali kwakutsho mna, kwakungatsho mna nangela xesha kwakusithiwa abahlali.
Imibuzo evamisile ukushaya abantu kwama-interview emsebenzi futhi leyo mbuzo uyiphendula kanjani? Umbuzo wokuqala, tell us more about yourself. Uma ngabe bekubuza lo mbuzo lo, on the one hand sebeyifundile i-CV yakho, bayazi ukuthi ubani, ufundeni, usebenzephi, kanjalo kanjalo. Kodwa futhi on the other hand bafuna ukwazi ngesimilo sakho, ngamanye amazwi bafuna ukwazi ukuthi uhlobo luni lomuntu. Kodwa futhi le akusiyona indawo ukuthi ubatshele ngo-favorite color nokuthi awudlala i-volleyball esikoleni. So ubhalansa kanjani lo mbuzo? Lo mbuzo ubhalansa ngokuthi usho okuthize osokuvele khona kwi-CV kafushane, uphinde futhi ukhulume ngawe noma isimilo sakho kafushane, ubese uyakusonga lokho kusonga kweni kulo msebenzi owuzele. Ake ngenze isibonelo ukuthi uphendula kanjani lo mbuzo. Asike sithi nje uya ku-interview yokuthi ube uthisha kwi-private school eCape Town. Impendulo oyikhiphayo kumbuzo ufana nalo ithi ayibe kanje. Thank you very much for having me in this panel interview. My name is Sanele Khoza. As you might have noticed from my CV, I studied at UKZN at Edgewood campus. Here, I graduated with honors in education. I've since been teaching for 2 years and luckily in a subject that I'm very passionate about, which is maths as well as science. In my spare time, I run tutorials for underprivileged kids. I also love cycling a lot. Now that I'm here in Cape Town, I had the privilege of going on a cycling trail and I look forward to more of those. Yabona ukuthi la ukhulumile ngaloko ku-CV yakho esebevele bakufundile, wakhuluma futhi nangezinto ozithandayo ezingale kumsebenzi ngoba bazama ukubheka ukuthi unayo yini ibalance. Kodwa futhi wangazishayela izinto zilenga, wazibuyisa, wazisonga zazokhuluma ngani ngalo msebenzi oze kuwona. Umbuzo wesibili, what makes you different or what will you be bringing? Ungawuphendula lo mbuzo ngokuthi uchaze into esivele kwi-CV. Sebeyazi vele ukuthi ususebenze for 5 years, bayazi ukuthi usebenze kweziphi inkampani, bayazi ukuthi eyiphi degree onayo, kanjalo kanjalo. Lo mbuzo uphendula ngempendulo ethi ayibe kanje. I would imagine that you've received a lot of applications for this role, probably from people that are even more experienced, if not more qualified than I am. What sets me aside though is that I am very dependable and reliable. Over the years, I've demonstrated that I can work with people both individually and as a team. I am both dependable and agile. Above everything else, I consider myself to be very proactive. Rest assured, you'll not be working with a wheelbarrow that you'll need to push. This will enable me to take initiative on areas that I identify that need to be worked on. And much as the role that you're interviewing me for is a straightforward one, I do think that we need to be able to balance that with a little bit of creativity. Yabona ukuthi lapho awushongo ukuthi uzolethani ngokuthi uphakamise wena ukuthi usufunda iminyaka emingaka noma ususebenza iminyaka emingaka, ngoba uhlale khona njalo umuntu ofunde kangcono kunawe, owazi kangcono kunawe. Kodwa abekho baningi abantu uma ngabe uthi ubanikeza umsebenzi abazokwazi ukuthi benze lento ekumele bayenze futhi abazokwazi bazicabangele bona ukuthi yini edinga ukuthi yenziwe ngesikhathi esithize. And uma ngabe bekhona abantu abasebenza ku-HR, ku-human resources, bazokutshela ukuthi iy'nkampani ey'ningi ingwadla ezibhekene nayo noma inkinga enkulu ezibhekene nayo eyokuthi abantu bayafika emsebenzini, yebo bawufundela umsebenzi, yebo bana experience, kodwa bakwazi ukuthi babange kube khona izinguquko kuleyo ndawo leyo. Ngakho-ke uma ngabe uzoba umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi uveze ukuthi unaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ucabange hayi nje kuphela ngalo msebenzi obizelwe wona, kodwa futhi ucabanga nokuthi yini engenziwa ukuze ithuthukise noma yenze kangcono isimo ekusetshenzwa ngaphansi kwaso, I can tell you now, you are the best candidate. Umbuzo wesithathu, when do you think you can start? Ucabanga ukuthi ungaqala nini? Lo mbuzo lo kuphakathi kwento ezimbili. Kuphakathi ukuthi njengoba bekubuza wona uhlele ekhaya. Uma ngabe uhlele ekhaya kulolu uphendule lo mbuzo ngoba uphendula ngokuthi uthi if given the opportunity, I am prepared to start immediately. Ungabanikeza isithombe sokuthi immediately usho ukuthi njengamanje bangathiwa nje ngiqale manje ngihlala phambi kwekhompyutha ngizohamba ngihlala phambi kwekhompyutha. Ubanikeza immediately lokuthi cha phela kusazomela ngihambe ngiyolunga nami ukuthi okay kuzofunakala i-uniform, kuzodingakala ini engizoyiqoka la emsebenzini ukuze ngilungele ukuthi ngisebenze. Ngobani lento le angithi it's a negotiation. So njengoba kunegotiate nje mozoba nalento ukuthi hayi uncengile lo msebenzi, ibona abazokukhipha usizini lakho, ngiyakutshela bazokuxhaphaza. Alright, uma ngabe ukuthi uyasebenza ungathi I'm prepared ukuthi ngiqale immediately. Ngobani? Ngoba unikeza labantu isithombe sokuthi should nalapha ngoba ushiye nje izinto zilenga. Abantu abaningi banalento ukuthi mabebona amadlela akuhlaza bavesane bashiye nje izinto zimapeketwane ezikhamisile nje zilenga kanjalo. Kanti uma ngabe uhlakaniphile uzokwazi ukuthi uma uthola umsebenzi omusha akusho ukuthi you must burn your bridges. Abantu kade usebenzisana nabo bashiye nje kahle kungaxatshelwe ubanikeza inotice. Ngakho ke lo mbuzo uphendula ngokuthi uthi given the opportunity to come and work with this organization, I think it would only be fair that I must serve my 1 month's notice to my current employer. Umbuzo wesine, umbuzo wesi4, umbuzo ojwayele ukuthi ubuzwe kwama-professionals asebenza kakhulukazi kuma-corporates noma kuma-private company. Ngiyawunyanya lo mbuzo ngoba futhi ngiyacabanga ukuthi awukho emthethweni lo mbuzo ngoba ungcono umuntu owazi ukuthi uyosebenza esitolo esithize uzohola u2.5 aye ku-interview uyazi vele ukuthi uzothola u2.5 no umuntu ozosebenza ku-government owazi ukuthi la ngizohola imali engaka based on ini advertisement. Kodwa nakhona kube khona ama-post usho ukuthi kuzothiwa isalary yakhona is between 1 million and 1.5 million. So ke lapho ke sokuyangena ke lo mbuzo, how much do you think you are prepared to take for a role like this? Uyadina ke lo mbuzo uma ngabe ingekho imali eklanyiwe eyabeka ukuthi sithina sezimisele singakhipha imali engaka, ngoba inkampani ibuza nje lo mbuzo ivele yazi ukuthi yona izimisele ikhiphe imalini. Ngakho ke lo mbuzo ungaphendula ngendlela ehlukile. Uma ngabe ukuthi uvele uyasebenza uphendula lo mbuzo ngokuthi uthi, well, looking at my current role and my current pay grade, I would think that a fair market value would be, bese uyasho ke lento ibiza ukuthi wena yini i-fair market value ebheka ukuthi uhola malini. Uma beka ukuthi uhola u30,000 usothi ke looking at the roles and responsibilities that are being placed here on the table as well as my current pay grade, I would imagine that 40,000 rand would be a fair market value. However, I am open to negotiate. Lo however I'm open to negotiate ubaleke kabi ngoba ngesinye isikhathi mhlambe lo 40,000 ungabathusa bacabanga ukuthi hayi asakufuni kanti wena bovela uprepared ukuthi ungathatha u30 noma uthatha u35 noma uma ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ube umuntu o-strategic. Lo mbuzo uphendula ngokuthi uthi, having had the discussions that we've had, I would imagine that there is a certain figure that the company is prepared to place on the table, at which point then I'm prepared to negotiate around that. Yabona la awuzigcoba umpipi ngoba phela unalento ethi egcineni imali esihlanganisayo. Kodwa ke phela ukuthi sifike kanjani lo discussion imali akungabe ukuthi ngiyancindezela, angabe futhi kube ukuthi nami ngiyancindezela. Asibonisane sibone ukuthi sifika